Welcome back, everyone. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, today we're going to be looking at the Chef's Gold EA, not Chef Kiss. Chef Gold EA for MT4. This one is sold as a gold only expert advisor that supposedly use artificial intelligence and machine learning to spot high probability patterns on gold USD. Sure, you got that from the name gold in the name. You've said that pages and the original marketing push the usual big claims. So let's walk through what exactly the developer is saying, and then I'll show you what actually shows up when you dig a little deeper. And before we start, it's worth noting that this is a bit technical, as this is the source code for the EA. I'll tell you what that means. Now, the package includes expert advisor for MT4, the source code .mq4, and recommended timeframes and pairs. It comes with an installation guide as a step-by-step PDF with screenshots, ready to use configuration files, email support, and lifetime updates. It's priced around, as you can see here, as you can see on the page, the former price was 1,499 of $1,500. However, they're doing a promo right now. Option to buy with card at 39 or $40, and buying with crypto means you save 20% more at $32. Say your file is still available in your customer portal and all that. I can try it. There's no option for demo, which is a bit of a red flag, as you can't really test the EA before committing your finances to it. Now, starting with the strategic claims, according to the developer, Chef Gold EA is powered by AI and machine learning that has analyzed years of historical data. They say it identifies specific candlestick patterns that have historically led to profitable moves, and when those same patterns appear in real time, the EA places the trade automatically. Let's see. They claim a prediction accuracy of 78 to 84% based on 10 years of data. The system is built exclusively for Gold USD, recommended on the 30-minute time frame, and it uses a compounding approach where profits get invested so the accounts can grow faster over time. Now see the claim of 78 to 84% prediction and the compounding effect. They say one of the bigger claims is that starting with just $200, you could potentially reach $100,000 within a year through this compounding. Risk management is described as fixed take profits and stop loss levels that protect the account from big swings, and emphasize that the EA is designed to keep things controlled while still delivering consistent results. And as the story the developer is telling, pattern recognition dressed up as AI, fixed take profit and stop loss, automatic compounding, and big growth numbers if everything goes right. Try looking for the signal, gonna find it, but there's an option for support. As you can see, they have a FAQ session. Now, honestly, I'm not seeing any signal that this is for Prism Algo, another one of the EAs. But I'm not seeing any signal page for the EA. We can see part of the source code here. We can see a screenshot of the compounding effects and others. Overall, that is everything on the page. A bit lackluster as you can't really test it to see what it contains or its effect. Now, who is this actually for? So traders already understand Gold's personality, are comfortable monitoring their accounts regularly, and are willing to treat the compounding as optional rather than the main attraction. If you also have $40 or $32 to spend on an EA, it might be for you. But if $30 is what you normally use to trade, I'd rather skip this and go for other options. You can check our channel and see other EAs that have back tested. Beginners or anyone looking for low maintenance steady returns should probably look elsewhere, like I said. But firm traders need to be especially careful because the drawdown behavior can clash with strict daily or overall loss limits. Now, honestly, this is the kind of EA that looks interesting on paper because gold moves a lot and pattern systems can catch piece of those moves. And that is a realistic picture based on the developer's claim and how this style system tends to behave. No guarantees either way as market change and past results don't predict the future. Now, if you found this breakdown useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robots you want me to cover next. And don't forget to check out that free MT4 and MT5 robot linked in the description below. Comes packs with indicators and candlestick patterns you can study or use as a base for your strategy. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.